In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy layer effects in Photoshop, a handy trick that lets you quickly apply the same stunning styles to multiple design elements. By the end of this video, you'll be able to duplicate shadows, glows, or any custom effects across text layers with just a couple of clicks, saving yourself loads of time and effort. Alright, let's dive in. First up, we need a base text layer to work with. Open up your Photoshop document and grab the Type tool from the toolbar. It looks like a simple T. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out the text that's going to appear on your image. You can type literally anything, maybe start with your project title or just try something fun like Shadow Master. Once you've got your text down, make sure you can see it clearly. You can adjust the font size and color as needed. This is just your starting point. With your text layer selected, go over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Now double-click on the text layer itself, not the name, but just in the empty space to the right of the layer's name. This opens up the Layer Style window, which is where all the magic happens. Take a moment here. The Layer Style panel is your toolbox for adding gorgeous effects like drop shadow, outer glow, satin, and so much more. For this demonstration, let's add a drop shadow. Just click the checkbox next to drop shadow, and you'll instantly see a subtle shadow under your text. Play around with the settings like distance, spread, and opacity to customize the shadow to your liking. You can keep exploring and add as many effects as you want. Don't hesitate to try satin or stroke if you're feeling creative. These effects don't just make your text look cooler. They help your words pop out visually, creating a hierarchy or mood in your design. Here, where things get really useful. Let's say you want to apply these exact effects to another text, maybe for consistency or maybe because you're working with multiple headings. Go ahead and add a second text layer by grabbing your Type tool again and typing out your new phrase. The key trick here is copying the effects so you don't have to redo every setting. In the Layers panel, you'll see a small FX icon next to your first text layer. This indicates that you've got effects applied. Now hold down the Alt key, that's option on Mac, and simply click and drag the FX icon from your first text layer onto your new second text layer. Keep holding Alt until you see a tiny black arrow, then release. Take a look, you'll see the same shadow, glow, or whatever styles you set up instantly appear on the second text. If you're worried about getting the drag just right, take your time. Sometimes it takes a couple tries to get used to it. But once you practice, copying layer effects becomes a smooth, almost magical part of your Photoshop workflow. This method keeps your design consistent and saves you from manually entering all those numbers and settings over and over. And that's it. Now you know how to copy layer effects in Photoshop and apply them to any text layers you want. This is especially handy for making your designs look professional, keeping everything matched up, and streamlining your editing process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have other Photoshop questions. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.